Hi, in this video we will unbox and test ACEPC T6 Pro. Let's open the box to check what inside. A product manual, HDMI cable, a power adapter, the Pocket Mini PC. As you can see, the perfect and small design. You can use it and take it anywhere. Powered with 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB ROM, and Intel Gemini Lake J4125 CPU. In this PC we have 2 of 3.0 USB ports, DC socket, the power button, Gigabit Ethernet port. Also it support Bluetooth. This mini PC is easy to install. Let's do it. We have a pre-installed Windows 10. Let's complete the installation. In this part we tested the 4K videos and the quality of the integrated speakers. As you can see, it supports the 4K video easily and the quality of the sound is pretty good for a small device like this. Easy and smooth for the normal use thanks to the combination between powerful CPU and RAM. Enjoy your fast internet with 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi supported. Also, you can connect the device with your Ethernet cable. In this part of the video, we will use our T6 Pro Mini PC to open multiple tabs on Google Chrome and also playing a game to see the level of temperature in the normal use and the full use. Also the noise of the fan.